Yeah, miss, we live. You click that, we live. You gonna put your shout out in, miss. What's your name? Oh, you got an Instagram or something? You want everybody to start following you?
Nikki G.
Who?
Nikki G.
Nikki G?
Yep.
Okay, we got Nikki G in the building, y'all. Hey, Nikki G.
Look out.
Look out, look out. Okay, look at my boy, y'all. Look at my boy, how he jump out the car.
Don't do drugs.
Yeah, don't do them, y'all.
Smoke pot.
Yeah.
It's not a drug.
Yeah, it's not a drug for him. Don't do drugs.
This gives me 100 horsepower.
100 horsepower.
And if you don't have a bracelet on, you can't hit this.
Yeah, you got 100 more horses. He get out looking like Pee Wee Longway, little cousin. Pee Wee Longway. Let me see. Look out. Yeah, he was driving that truck, man. He was driving that truck. Ooh, they're driving that mother like that, man. Roger Enrico. Look out, man. What's going on? How you feeling?
We won last week, man.
Yeah. Yeah. I seen you seen it.
Yeah, so I never really find out who won.
Man, there was so much stuff going on. All I was doing was just recording.
I know, but who green light came on?
On which one?
On the dead side.
On the end? Which over there? Just a while ago?
No, when you raced that last.
Oh, your light.
But I heard you say, dang.
Yeah, I still seen it though.
Yeah, that shit right there.
Oh, that's it. Hey, y'all. I raced against my homeboy last week. He had one of them lookout racer stickers on there. Used it against me.
I'm the one that had an accident. I slipped off the bike.
Yeah.
I wasn't focused, but then I redeemed myself. Because I came back into it and got my revenge.
Yeah.
But let y'all know that shield's right there.
There it go right there. Still clean. He wiped on it before he got here. He wiped on it before he got here, y'all. Let me see. Got cars cutting lines.
Look out, what's going on up there? Did they wreck?
Oh shit. Oh yeah, it do. It look like something on flat.
How that white car get way over there?
I don't know. Ooh. Damn. I think that's an accident. Cause that car. Ooh. Look out, look out.
Exactly.
I ain't got that many cars, so I'm gonna try to pass them out wisely. Okay. Y'all want me to go and run them now, or y'all think he gonna get it right now? Look out. I need to try. Huh? Oh, they won't let me make it. Here I come. Oh yeah, he got a car. You can't mess with him. He with the you know that
He with somebody else.
Yeah, he with somebody else.
But
But it's his shit. He just don't do no driving. One of them cars Roddy drive. That's his shit.
Put a road in his ass too.
Yeah, man, they with the mob, man.
Hey man, hey.
Oh, this a grudge car. Well, I'm next, man. Y'all line me up next. Huh? What's up with it, man? You gotta make that same pass like a while ago. Y'all on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I already got you.
Okay, you too? Did you delay through Theo? You gotta delay through Theo too. Yeah, and Awalito. Yeah, Awalito. He gonna do it for me, y'all. Appreciate it, man. Looking out. He beat. Uh-oh, Limpy, here go your song. Yeah, murder, gotta keep an eye. Yeah, smoking on purple, ease my mind. This that shit that we get high to. Yeah, I got the sticker right here for you. I got the sticker for you. Here it go right here, man. Find me a spot, y'all. I want somebody to find me a spot, man. Go on. We're gonna record you putting it on there.
That's a bit.
Yeah, got my boy right here. What's your name? Okay. He finna get it put on there. Okay. I'm in there. I'm in the game. Oh, look out! God damn me. Yeah. Okay. That's my other boy right here. One time. Boom. I got the stickers right here. I've been waiting on you. Here, let me see you put it on there. Let me see. Yeah, I'm giving them away. You know you get one. I got the free ones and I got the ones you could buy.
I want the free ones.
Oh, you want the free?
Yeah.
Okay, I got the free right here. Free! That's you and that's you.
I put it. I
Appreciate
where you said this car needs to have one.
Yeah, this car need to have one. This car do need to have it because y'all my boys. I've been knowing y'all. Okay. Look out, look out, look out. Let me see who else need it. Let me see.
Look, your deal's there.
Huh? Oh, hey, how you doing? Y'all on my YouTube channel?
Yo, I came on the YouTube.
Oh, oh, that's you?
Yo,
Okay.
I was watching the whole.
You know Limpy? You know Limpy? You know Limpy?
I think my Theo does.
Okay, his T.O. do. Yeah, they was trying. Let me see what you working with.
I'm looking at your YouTube. Oh shit! With
Oh, it's on
ads.
commercial right now.
Yo.
Okay. I'm trying to see if they know Limpy. Cause
Yo,
Limpy
remember
was
this ring?
excited to see. Huh?
That was me right there.
Oh, that's you.
Yo.
Okay.
Got
Okay.
him with the gap. Remember?
Yeah. Oh, that's him. Popped them in the ass. That's right. Okay.
Yo, that was
Small block or big block?
me.
Yeah.
All stock.
All stock.
Oil change.
All change. Okay. What about you? Small block or big block? Stock. Okay. What about you? Stock. What about you? Stock as fuck. Oh, everybody stock. Let me hear it. What that motor sound like. Okay. I guess it's. Oh, now I hear a little cam in there, man. Nah, you ain't say nothing about the little cam in it. Oh, man, you got a cam in there.
Stock motor. Look.
Stock motor? Okay, stock motor though. Okay. Well, you gotta at least say you got some bolt-ons or something. Okay, full bolt-on with a cam. You changing yours up or you still stock?
I'm still stock.
Okay, what about you? Man, that ain't stock. Alright. It got bolt-ons. Aftermarket parts.
Stock intake.
Stock battery.
Stock battery.
Man.
Stock compressor. Stock alternator. Oh, that's a turbo right there.
Okay.
See that turbo?
Yeah.
The turbo.
Do it at least got that intake. Yeah, it got that intake.
Ported head, ported
Ported heads, ported. You got your ported by Chewy?